welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the NLTK, that is the Natural Language Processing package in PyCharm. So after creating my new project, I go to the file and setting, and inside the setting, inside your project, that is NLTK, I named my project as an NLTK. So when you go to the Python interpreter, here by default in my Python interpreter it fetch this one. So I will click on the Python 3.7, okay, and then click on this plus icon, and here search the NLTK package, check this box and click on the install package. As it will take some time while installation the package, and after some time it shows me the message that package NLTK installed successfully. So this is the how you can install the NLTK package in PyCharm. After installation, in my main.py file, here I write these few lines of code to download all the NLTK. Okay, so when I execute it, it will take some time while downloading the. So it shows me a new window to download the all the NLTK collection. You can download the NLTK collections, Copra models, and all packages as well. So if you have enough space, then go for to install the all packages, or otherwise you can select as you want to download the NLTK. Here you can change the download directory. So here I gave it the directory like this one. Okay, and click on the download for downloading the all the packages. So definitely uh, it will take some time. It depends on your downloading speed, and after some time it will download all that packages of NLTK for you. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, you can email me at nasirsoft93@gmail.com, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.